everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to keep ourselves safe and healthy during a pandemic. Firstly, it's crucial to follow the guidelines set by health authorities. This includes practicing good hygiene such as washing your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your face and coughing or sneezing into your elbow. Wearing a mask is also essential when in public spaces, especially where social distancing measures are difficult to maintain. Remember, your mask should cover both your nose and mouth. Social distancing is another key measure. Try to maintain at least 6 feet distance from others to minimize the risk of transmission. But health isn't just about avoiding virus. It, it's also about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Ensure you're eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and adequate sleep. These all contribute to a strong immune system. Don't forget about your mental health. It's normal to feel stressed or anxious during a pandemic. Reach out to friends and family through calls or videos chat. Engage in activities you enjoy and practice relaxation. Techniques like meditation or yoga. Lastly, stay informed but avoid excessive exposure to news that might cause you stress. Rely on trusted sources for updates and information. Remember, we're all in this together. By taking ourselves and each other, we can navigate these challenging times. Stay safe and take care. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Magawa tanong.
Sabi ko sa iyo, tumahimik kayo mga